go to the Christmas song? How do you feel about this get together?
Synchronize.
Just raise your hands. Can you
Synchronize.
raise your hands para to be recognized? O sige. Susan,
Synchronize.
go ahead, Susan.
Oh, even though I was late, I'm glad I was able to join this, Doc, and I felt more inspired and happy joining this. Last year I joined also, but this one, especially the sharing and the songs, and of course your repeat ano ba yun? Discussion again. That's very good. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, and may you always be blessed, Doc.
Okay, you're welcome.
That's it, Doc. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Dali,
Such an inspiring program.
View. Let me go back to the gallery. Okay, who's next? Raise your hands. Sino magsasalita? Raise your hands. Shirley, like to say something? Shirley? Long time no see. Unmute, unmute. Unmute.
Okay. Thank you, Doc. Nice to see you. Nandito lang ako sa probinsya po. Hindi ako nakakalabas. Thank you for this get together. I am empowered and more interesting topic at more blessings sa mga cancer patient. Merry Christmas to you, Doc, and hope to see you. Thank you.
Okay.
12 years.
Good. Congratulations.
Thank you po.
I want to hear from Belle Tepase. Umalis na si Belle? Tagal ko na din nakikita si Belle.
Yeah, umalis na sa
Umalis na si Belle. Okay. So anybody else who want to give a feedback here? Just raise your hands. Okay, Nelia, you're raising your hands. Unmute.
Ayan, okay na po?
Yeah, okay.
Ayan po. Nagpapasalamat po ako sa inyo pong si Dr. Lance, Dr. Ray. Thank you po kay Ma'am Beth. Sa experience ko pong ganito, talaga pong nagka-hope po ako. Masaya po sa lahat po ng pong may cancer. Thank you po sa inyo. Merry Christmas po and Happy New Year. Thank you
You're
po.
welcome. Okay. One more?
Can I read?
What? Okay, Seni, you're raising your hand? Sino?
Thank you, Doc, sa lahat ng blessings. Sobrang saya ng ating virtual meet ngayon. Maganda mga sound natin ngayon. Salamat po, Doc. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all Cancer Crusaders Club. God bless us all.
Congratulations also. Marami kang pinanalo. Okay. Okay. No more? Last call? Ana? Okay. Ana, Ore?
Alegre. Teresita Alegre, Doc.
Si Alegre. Kaya ibang pangalan mo. Sige.
Kasi ano po ng apo ko. Una po, salamat sa Panginoon Diyos sa araw na ito at nakasama-sama po tayong lahat sa tulong at ginawa kay instrumento upang kaming mga cancer survivor ay patuloy na gumaling sa biyaya at pagpapala ng ating Panginoon. Maraming salamat po sa mga informative na binigyan nyo sa aming mga lecture. Talaga pong tamang-tama. At sana hindi lang po tayo maka-inspire sa ating pamilya, kundi sa ibang tao na nakakaranas ng cancer. I hope next year po magkasama-tama ulit tayo. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. Thank you. God bless you.
Merry Christmas din ho. Sige. Okay. Well, no more, huh? We'll now go to the Christmas song. Last. Okay.
Can I say something?
Oh, sino ito? May pahabol?
Yeah, I would like to say something.
Okay, sino to?
Me.
Okay. Go ahead.
Basahin ko lang yung sinulat ko kanina. To
Okay.
Dr. Hoson, thank you for creating a community where strength is shared, which is celebrated together. Because of this, many crusaders found comfort. They regained new courage and they knew that they are never alone in their fight. Your dedication has built more than a group, but a family. Your legacy in every story of healing, every smile, and every handheld support continue with your vision, your leadership, and your kind heart. Thank you for being the light that continues to guide the Cancer Crusaders.
Okay. Thank
That's
you.
all.
Thank you. Belated happy birthday to you, Abet.
Thank you.
Okay. So with that, we will now go to